Hi, I recently replaced the throttle cable on my John Deere 757, 25 horsepower Kawasaki engine. Now it seems to idle high and run hot. It ran fine prior to the change. How do I correct this?
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. Have you gone back to the carburetor end of the cable and adjusted it so it has a little slack in it? Letting the lever go all the way to idle and not holding it open? Small adjustment can make big difference in idle speed. Full size image. Cable is adjusted by loosening the XXXXX screw and sliding the cable closer to the lever. Number 3 clamp is what does it in place? Let me know. Please do not rate until satisfied. Thank you.
I'll give that a try and get back to you.
Okay.
Hi, just wanted to get back to you on the throttle cable issue. I apologize for the delay. Repositioning the cable as you described did correct the throttling, but has resulted in a carb backfire. Just a small pop every 45 seconds or so. Could or should these two issues be related? I mean, all I did was replace the cable. BTW, I intend to rate the session as good service and I'm not looking for 2 answers for the price of 1. But I would like your feedback as to whether the initial problem and the current one, carb backfire, could in any way be related. I don't see how they could be, but
if you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.